The RehaCom module Figural Memory trains memory functions, such as figural learning and memorizing. It is part of a nonverbal memory and is responsible for memorizing pictures, patterns, and symbols. The figural memory enables us to correctly recognize and evaluate familiar visual stimuli in daily life. Training with this module is indicated for patients with neurological diseases such as stroke, traumatic brain injury, brain tumour, morbus Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis, as well as for patients with psychiatric, gerontopsychiatric, and other diseases such as depression, addiction diseases, and learning disorders. Stable focus and sustained attention are preconditions for memory training. External memory aids are recommended for severely impaired persons. Before starting the training module, it is possible to individualize the training parameters. Via the Therapist menu, one can adjust the level of difficulty, duration of session, instructions, help, or stressors according to the patient's needs. It is possible to change these parameters at any time during the training. The task in this module is to memorize and recognize objects. In the memorizing phase, several objects will be presented on screen. Then, those objects should be recognized and selected by the user as they run over a conveyor belt. With rising difficulty, there will be more objects to remember and recall on the conveyor. Additionally, the speed of the conveyor can be changed. It is also possible to switch the direction of the conveyor for neglect or hemianopia patients. For high-performance patients, verbal memory and transfer functions can be trained as well. RehaCom works auto-adaptively. The difficulty level will rise or fall depending on the patient's performance. The performance bar illustrates this development. With each change in level, the user will receive additional feedback. At the end of a training session, RehaCom will create an evaluation graph. Training results will always be saved automatically. The patient will then continue from this stage when starting the next training session. Please find further information on our website.